Good morning, everyone. I am Sweta Sarangi, and today I'm going to teach you about road pavement. So, in the previous class, we have studied about road materials, like what are the materials or what are the various types of materials we are used in our construction of roads. So, in that chapter also we have studied about the various tastes on road aggregate. Okay, so now we are going to study about the pavement. So, first of all, I just want to tell you that what is pavement or introduction to pavement. Highway pavement is a structure consisting of superimposed layers of selected and processed materials whose primary function is to distribute the applied vehicle to the subgrade. Okay, it includes all layers resting on the original ground. It is the upper part of roadway, airport or parking area structure. Okay. Next is functions of pavement. So there are various functions of pavement. First one is provide safe, smooth and comfortable ride to road users without excessive wear and tear. It reduces and distributes the traffic loading so as not to damage the subgrade, meet environmental and aesthetic requirements, and also it provide limited noise and air pollution. So these are the various functions of pavement. Next is types of pavement. So there are two types of pavement. First one is flexible pavement and second one is our rigid pavement. So what is flexible pavement? These are those which has lower negligible flexural strength. The deformation in the subgrade layers is transferred to the uppermost layer. It is constructed by using stone aggregate with binder material like bitumen. Load is transferred by grains to grain transformation. Surfacing cannot be laid directly on a subgrade. A subbase course is necessary. Rolling of surface is necessary. Roads can be used for movement of traffic within 24 hours. Okay. Next is rigid pavement. So these have high flexural strength. The deformation in the subgrade layer is not transferred to the uppermost layer. It is constructed by using PCC, plain cement concrete, RCC, reinforced cement concrete or pre-stressed concrete slab. So load is transferred by slab action. Surfacing can be laid directly. Okay. Rolling of surface is not necessary in this case and roads cannot be used until 14 days of curing. Okay. So this is the basic thing about flexible pavement and rigid pavement. So we can see this is a flexible pavement and this is our rigid pavement. So in flexible pavement, we are using bitumen as our construction material, and in rigid pavement, we are using cement concrete or plain cement concrete or reinforced cement concrete for our road. Okay. So in flexible pavement, here we can see that there is four layers. First one is our soil subgrade. This is the most important layer because we all know that the load that directly comes from the vehicles will be transferred by soil. Okay, then the subgrade can easily distribute the load evenly. Okay. So next is subbase course, then is base course, and the last one is surface course. In the same way, if we are seeing in rigid pavement, we can see that yes, there is also a subgrade layer, then base layer, surface course. Okay. So there is no subbase course, and we can say there is a difference between these two because here we are using different materials for different roads. But in subgrade case, we are using the same materials like we are using soil. Okay. In flexible pavement, the initial cost is low, but the maintenance cost is very high. And yes, one more thing is that we can use this road in one day also. But in case of rigid pavement, the initial cost is very high because here we are using concrete, slabs, reinforcements, okay. But its maintenance cost is very low and the design lifespan of flexible pavement is less and rigid pavement's lifespan is high or is more, okay. So nowadays people are preferring this rigid pavement, and if we are considering the design lifespan of these two roads, then the flexible pavements design lifespan is 15 years, and in case of rigid pavement the design lifespan is 30 years. And also one important thing that our flexible pavement take less load compared to rigid pavement. Okay, in simple word we can say rigid pavement takes more load. Okay. Next is pavement components. So there are various components of our pavement. First one is our soil subgrade. Second is subbase course. Third is base course. Then surface or wearing course. And the last one is our embankment. Right? Then like soil compaction, because soil compaction is the most important thing. So it is done mechanically to compact the soil by removing the air voids. Okay. It increases strength and stability, thus reducing the settlement and decreasing the effect of moisture. Proper compaction of fields, subgrade, subbase and base course are necessary for highway construction. So we can know that compaction means to removal of air voids from anything, okay. So by compacting the soil, here we are preparing the soil subgrade. So there are various compaction equipments like roller, hammer and vibrator. Okay, these three are the various types of compaction equipments which we are going to use in our construction of roads. Next is roller. That what is roller? The principle of roller is the application of pressure which is slowly increased and then decreased. So there are three types of roller. First one is smooth wheeled roller. Second one is pneumatic type roller. And the third one is sheep foot roller. And also we can say this is the tamping roller. So the smooth wheel roller. What do you mean by smooth wheel roller? This roller have either 2 or 3 rollers in a line on behind the other. The rollers are hollow steel drum which can be used to obtain the desired pressure. It is usually suitable for compacting gravel, sand and other materials that needs curing. Next is pneumatic type roller. It consists of a box mounted on two axles. Okay. This one is, they are of medium heavy or super heavy tie rod. The rollers give kneading action as well as compaction to the soil. The compaction is done in layer less than 15 centimeter thickness or 115 thickness. These are suitable for clay, gravel and clean sand. That is where it is called as that these rollers give kneading action to it, because these types of rollers are using for fine grain soil. Next one is sheep foot roller or tamping roller. So it consists of steel cylinder drum extending in radial direction outwardly from the surface of the cylinder. They may be self-propelled or can be rolled by a tractor. It is suitable for silty and clay sand or medium to heavy clay. The thickness of the layer to be compacted should not be more than 5 centimeter in length. So these are the three various types of roller. First one is our smooth wheel roller. Second one is our pneumatic type roller. And the third one, this is our tamping roller, or we can say sheep foot roller. So if we are using gravel or sand, then we are going to use this type of roller. Okay. If our soil is fine grained, then we are using pneumatic type roller. And the third one, that is stamping roller, where the soil is silty or clay. At that time we are using tamping roller or sheep footed roller. Okay. Thank you.